Hey there, parents and caregivers. Are you ready to take the stress out of car rides with your little ones? Today, we're diving into the world of safety and convenience with the EVENFLO car seat. In this video, I'll show you why this car seat is a game changer for busy families, providing not only unmatched comfort for your child, but also peace of mind for you. From easy installation to top-notch safety features, we've got all the details you need. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore how the EVENFLO car seat stands out in the crowded market of child safety seats. Don't forget to stay tuned for a special offer at the end. Let's get started. Number 5. EVENFLO Light Max 35 Infant Car Seat, where safety meets convenience. This lightweight car seat is designed for infants weighing between 4 to 35 pounds. Featuring 4 adjustable shoulder harness positions to grow with your child. Maneuvering is a breeze thanks to its incredibly light design, making it simple to carry and transport. The ergonomic handle adds extra comfort, allowing you to carry the seat in the bend of your arm without strain. Shield your little one from the sun, wind, and rain with its full coverage canopy, ensuring a cozy ride every time. Installation is quick and secure with the easy-to-install base, equipped with a vehicle belt lock-off system for added peace of mind. With high safety standards and rigorous testing, the EVENFLO Light Max 35 is built to protect your precious cargo. Rest easy knowing you have made a safe choice for your family with this exceptional car seat, perfect for all your outings. Get ready to travel with confidence. Number 4. EVENFLO Revolve 360 Slim 2-in-1 Rotational Car Seat. Designed to maximize space while ensuring top-notch safety and comfort for your little one. With its streamlined 16.7-inch footprint, it fits beautifully in your back seat, providing room for extra passengers. Say goodbye to the struggles of getting your child in and out of the car. This car seat features a one-hand, 360-degree rotation, making every outing a breeze. It grows with your child, accommodating rear-facing mode for youngsters weighing 4 to 50 pounds and forward-facing for kids up to 65 pounds. Child safety experts recommend extended rear-facing use, and the Revolve 360 allows you just that. Installation is a snap with the Sure 360 safety installation system, ensuring a secure fit every time. Plus, keeping it fresh is simple thanks to the quick clean cover, which is easy to remove and wash. The EVENFLO Revolve 360 truly redefines convenience in child travel safety. Number 3. EVENFLO Every Fit All-4-1, a versatile 3-in-1 convertible car seat designed to grow with your child from infancy to their teenage years. This remarkable car seat provides protection for up to 10 years, making it the only car seat you'll ever need. With 3 modes of use, rear-facing with harness, forward-facing with harness, and high back booster, it's suitable for children weighing from 4 to 120 pounds. Safety takes precedence, and the EveryFit All-4-1 meets or exceeds all federal safety standards, boasting structural integrity tested at double the federal frontal crash test requirements. Plus, it features a convenient quick clean cover, allowing for effortless removal and washing, so you can keep it fresh without hassle. The one-hand, 12-position headrest and nori thread harness straps ensure a perfect fit as your child grows, making this car seat a practical choice for busy parents. With EVENFLO, you're investing in safety, longevity, and ease, all wrapped in a sleek, stylish design. Don't miss out on the peace of mind that the EveryFit All-4-1 car seat brings to your family. Number 2. EVENFLO Light Max DLX Infant Car Seat, the ultimate combination of safety and convenience for your little one. With its innovative Safe Zone load leg technology, this car seat reduces rotation by an impressive 50% in the event of a frontal collision, giving you that extra peace of mind on the road. Adjusting the harness is a breeze thanks to the nori thread design, allowing you to slide the straps effortlessly as your child grows, without any hassle. The ergonomic handle makes carrying the seat comfortable, ensuring your journeys are less burdensome. Plus, the SureSafe installation system guarantees a secure fit every time, so you can install it quickly and confidently. Designed with EVENFLO's high standards, this car seat meets or exceeds federal safety standards, ensuring your baby's safety is never compromised. The EVENFLO Light Max DLX is not just a car seat, it's a promise of protection and comfort, perfect for every parent seeking the best for their newborn. Number 1. Graco Transitions 3-in-1 Harness Booster Seat is a versatile and essential choice for parents who prioritize safety and convenience. This innovative seat grows with your child, transitioning seamlessly from a forward-facing harness for toddlers, 22 to 65 pounds, to a high-back booster, 40 to 100 pounds, and then to a backless booster, 40 to 100 pounds. With the Simply Safe Adjust harness system, adjusting the headrest and harness is a breeze, ensuring a perfect fit without the hassle of rethreading. Designed for busy, on-the-go families, this lightweight seat features a one-hand, 8-position adjustable headrest and 2 easy-to-clean cup holders, keeping snacks and drinks within arm's reach. The open-loop belt guides ensure your vehicle's seat belt is positioned correctly for optimal safety. Plus, the comfortable seat pad, body support, and harness covers are machine washable, making cleanup a snap. If you're considering an EVENFLO car seat, the Graco Transitions is a fantastic choice that combines safety, ease of use, and comfort for your growing child. In summary, the EVENFLO car seat stands out for its safety features, comfort, and ease of use, making it a great choice for parents. Investing in the right car seat is crucial for your child's safety on the road. We hope this review has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. Your feedback means the world.